Hello everyone, this is Shrekanth and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see how we can make Nellikai rice, that means Amla rice. So here are the ingredients. It's very simple and easy to make. So all you need is avlaki or poha, which you can soak for 15 minutes and keep it on a plate. And then you need one amla, one Indian gooseberry, and half an inch grated ginger, and you will need some turmeric and cumin powder, pepper powder, and grated coconut. And you will also need to use curry leaf, some of them, and maybe 1 or 2 twigs, and some coriander leaves finely chopped. So keep all these ingredients ready. Take a vessel and add the soaked red poha to it, and then take the ingredients and add them one by one, like the coconut, grated coconut, the amla, and all the other spices, and the garnishing ingredients like the coriander and curry leaf. So you mix the contents well, just like that. No cooking need to be done, and here you have the amla rice ready. Next we're gonna have beetle leaf chutney along with it. So all you got to do is to remove the middle vein of the beetle leaf, as you see here, like this, and then take some grated coconut along with these beetle leaves, and a small piece of ginger. And if you need chili, if you need a little spice, you can have you can add half a chili, and then you can take some peanuts, some almonds, some cashew nut, some cumin seeds, some pepper seeds, a lemon, then one tomato. You can use 2 tomatoes over here. I'm going to use half of that lemon. I'm not going to use the full lemon over here. And then you need some curry leaf. So the lemon will actually spice it up. So blend all the ingredients in a small mixie grinder like this. Grind it into a fine and consistent paste, and that's about it. You can add half a lemon to it, squeeze half lemon. You can use 2 tomatoes as well, and then your chutney is ready. So you can go ahead and have your Nellikai rice, that is Amla rice, along with this beetle leaf chutney. And this is very tasty and very healthy, and I'm going to give you some important information about this, the health benefits. And here we have not used any oil or fire to cook this dish. So this is absolutely a no oil, no boil kind of a recipe. I'm sure you like the content of this video. If you like this video, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And always remember to hit the bell icon so that you can always receive my latest videos. So it's time to say goodbye. This is Shrekanth signing off. You have a great day.